Hi, my name is Goldman, and I'm an attorney with Goldman and Associates. And today I'd like to talk to you about shoplifting. It's an unusual topic to talk to you about, right? It's what we call retail fraud. You know, there are certain crimes that people, for whatever reason, don't prioritize. I mean, if you tell somebody that you're thinking of robbing a bank, everybody's going to tell you that's a serious crime. But who of us hasn't heard about a kid that steals a piece of gum, or somebody that hides something, or maybe switches a price tag because this thing was on sale last week and it's no longer on sale? Well, I'm here to tell you folks, you need to know this. Those kind of things are called retail fraud. That's called shoplifting. Now, there are different degrees, you know, from $0 to $100 or $200 or up to $500 or $1,000. And the seriousness of the crime, state to state, could change depending on the value of what you took. But make no mistake, you take something from the store, you switch a price tag, you buy two things but only pay for one because it's a self-checkout, that's a crime. There's no question. It's not just a breach of a contract or something like that. It's not a social contract that you have with Myers that if you take something, you'll pay for it. It's an actual violation of our criminal law to shoplift. Sometimes people think that their little kids took something and they can get away with that. They realize Junior took something that they didn't pay for, but they don't go back to pay for it. Or sometimes the elderly, in some weird way, think that they're entitled to take things, anything that they can fit in their pocket. I've talked to people who thought, why is this a crime? I mean, it's just a couple batteries. Well, I'll tell you, the law doesn't distinguish between if it's an expensive thing or it's a non-expensive thing. The law protects the business owner because we need to protect business owners in this world. Those are the people who give jobs. Those are the people who help the economy go. We can't have people stealing from them. So therefore, if you take something, even a small item, you need to know. That is a misdemeanor offense at the very least. You can go to jail for that. So therefore, if something happens and you didn't pay for something that you should have, or you didn't notice there's in your card, or some such thing occurred, you're going to need the assistance of a lawyer, because anytime you think you might go to jail, which is really any misdemeanor, it's not a do-it-yourself project. So therefore, if you find yourself in that situation, it doesn't mean you're a bad person, but you might have done something that was a bad misjudgment, so to speak. Give us a call, and of course, we'll be glad to help you out. We've been doing this for a long time. We have a lot of experience in mitigating these kind of cases, but your first step, call an experienced lawyer who can tell you what you need to do and help you through this process.